tell us a little bit about yourself, Martin.
So I am a young student in information technology. So I was currently living in France for the first year of my studying. But I would like to discover a new city, and with the Europe today, I would like to improve my English. So that's why I have decided to go in London. In fact, I'm living in 130 minutes from here in France. So for me it looks like if I would be living in Paris, but it's a foreign country, and for the information technology, I think it's very important to improve the English, because a lot of people say, yeah, I can manage to speak English, but the best way to learn a language is, I think, it's to go and to live there. So that's why I decided to live here.
What were your expectations from Helping Hands?
I would like to live like a usual people, so to have a living career, to do everything like the not handicapped people. So to have a student life, to study, to go out with my friends, and to have everything like in every life. And thanks to. So for that I need to have a living career, and it's a really way to do whatever you want. For a student, and not to think always, can I do that or can I do that because I am disabled or not. It's very important to feel free, and to be separate with your family, etc. Because in France I am living with my mother, it's not a problem about that, but I think it's very important to learn for every young to live without her parents. So that's why we need a very truthful company, because if I wasn't trust in you, it can be very hard and very stressful to manage everything. So that's why I can repeat again, I have chosen Helping Hands.
And have we met your expectations?
Totally, it was perfect. It's perfect because I can visit London, have my student life, met my friends.
How would you describe your carer, Christinelle?
So my carer, Christinelle, is a very easy to live person. Every time happy, and he doesn't complain about anything. He's very nice, and he's very patient, because sometimes I know it can be hard to say, yeah, for example, I need to have that or that, but sometimes even if when he is tired, he is every time nice with me, and he does a great work with me. For everything is perfect for the washing and every other task of carer, and we have a good relationship, and yeah, it's it's my with the work, it's like my roommate, and so we are sometimes we visit London, so we enjoy it as well, because for every young, I think London is a beautiful city, and with such good carer, everything look like possible, and I am free, and I am truthful with seen this carer, and he does a really good job, and I think he going to do everything great in this life after, because he's very he like to improve his skills, and not to stay with his skills, and he always to improve himself, and I think it's a great quality for a carer.
So where have you visited in London?
Such a hard question. We have visited much. The next time we have visited Greenwich Village. What have we visited? Of course, Tower of London, because it just took 15 minutes from here. St. James Park, Hyde Park. Brick Lane, Finsbury Park, and London Zoo, a lot of St. Paul Cathedral, and it's great. In London you can discover a lot of things because it's so huge. You can, for example, we have discovered Brick Lane just 4 months after we came here. It was just in 5 minutes from here, and we haven't seen for 4 months, and now we know that, and it's impressive in London because from each neighborhood you can have a small city with some landscape, and after you have a high building like in Canary Wharf or in the city, or you have the historical London in Westminster, so you can do a lot of things here. So.
Do you have any advice for anyone thinking about living care?
I have some advice. For example, I think you should be a patient person, because sometimes if you're living every time with the same person, you can discover a bad part of him or of you. For example, when you are tired, you are more angry or more easily unhappy or something, and with two persons with the same thing, you should be sometimes keep something for you, and not and be patient. Yeah, for example, not to think, yeah, what do you think if I should work for that? How can I manage to do that? Before to ask, I think it's important to be you without too much bad parts. For example, to be always angry, or to be. I think you should implement a trustful relationship with your carer in order to feel what he thinks and what should you do, and how should the relationship should be together, because every people have his own personality, so you should manage with that. But it's not impossible if you are flexible, and you can adapt your humor with the other one, and what can I say? Yeah, I think it's a great experience for everyone who would like to live that, because you learn to live in society and not to live with your own person.